Good morning everyone. Let us start with area of a triangle. Formula for area of a triangle is half base into height. Area of a right angle triangle is half into product of its two leg. Why product of its two leg? If you see, if this is 90 degree, this is the base, this is the height. So it will be half into product of its two legs. The two legs are two arms of a right angle. Area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4a square, where a is the side of a triangle. All sides of equilateral triangle are equal. You all know this. So root 3 upon 4a square. If a, b, c are the three sides of a triangle, that means three sides are given, then we use Hero's formula. Then area of a triangle is s minus a, s minus b, s minus c whole square root we have to find, where s is equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. That means s is perimeter upon 2, half of the perimeter of a triangle. Then the formula for the area of a triangle is s root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now let us start with solving these few questions. Area of a triangle whose base is 25 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter. We already know that area of a triangle is half into base into height. This is half into 25 into 14. This is equal to 25 into 7, which is 175 centimeter square. This is the area of a triangle. Let us come to another question. Area, find the area of a triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degree, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, AC is equal to 10 centimeter, BD is perpendicular to AC. Then find BD. Now let us understand the question by first drawing the figure. Here it is A, B, C. What is given? Now let us see once again. Angle B is 90 degree. BC is equal to 8 centimeter. AC is 10 centimeter. If BD is perpendicular to AC, I will draw BD perpendicular to AC. That means this is also 90 degree. Then find BD. We have to find BD. First of all, let us find AB by Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That means AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square, which is 10 square minus 8 square, which is 100 minus 64. 100 minus 64 is 36. That means AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Now I can apply the formula of area of a triangle, half into product of its leg. Area is equal to half into AB into BC, which is equal to half into 6 into 8. This is equal to 24 centimeter square. Now we have to find BD, but if I take AC as a base, my height will be BD. Area of a triangle remains same because we are talking about area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into AC multiplied to BD. 24 is equal to half into AC, 10 into BD. This is, I can simplify it. So I get 5 here. So BD is equal to 24 upon 5. Let us simplify this. This will be 4.8 centimeter. So BD is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Now let us come to one more question of area of a triangle. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose side is 10 centimeter and root 3 is equal to 1.73. Already told, area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4a square. Root 3 they are asking us to use. They have given us 1.73 upon 4 multiplied to 10 multiplied to 10. 2s are 5s are again 5s are. 1.73 multiplied to 25 will be the area of a triangle. If I calculate this, I get this as 43.25 centimeter square. Let us solve one more question. Find the area of an isosceles triangle ABC in which BC is 8 centimeter, AB equal to AC equal to 5 centimeter. If CB is perpendicular to AB, find CE. Let us draw the diagram first. Let this be BC. This is A. AB is 5 centimeter. AC is 5 centimeter. CE is perpendicular to AB. We have got this. Find CE. And BC is given as 8 centimeter. Let us find the area of a triangle by Hero's formula. What is Hero's formula? This is equal to root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. This is 8 plus 5 upon 2. Because I am taking A as 8, I can write here, it will make my calculations easy. If I write it here, B as 5 centimeter and C also as 5 centimeter. So 18 upon 2 is equal to 9. Now area of a triangle is S root of S, S minus A. 9 minus 8, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5. This is equal to 9 into 1 into 4 into 4 root of this. If you see 9 is 3 into 3 and 4 into 4, I get a root as 4. So 4 into 3 equal to 12. Area is 12. The unit will be centimeter square. Now here we have to find CE. That means this side. If I take this as a base AB, then EC will be the height, but the area will remain same as 12 centimeter square because we're talking about the same triangle. So area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to half multiplied to AB multiplied to CE. This is 12 is equal to half into 5 into CE. This is equal to CE is equal to 2 into 12 upon 5. Let us calculate this. 24 upon 5, which is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Let us solve one more question. Here we have to find we are given PQRS as a square and we have to find the area of the shaded region. That means if from the area of the square, if I subtract the area of the three triangles, 1, 2, 3, I get the shaded region. Area of PQRS is equal to 20 multiplied to 20, 400 centimeter square. Area of, let us calculate area of the first triangle, triangle 1. It is a right angle triangle since it is a square. So the formula will be half into product of two legs. That means half into 20 into 10. Half into 10 into 20, which is equal to 100 centimeter square. Area of triangle 2. This is half into 10 into 10. All are right angle triangles here. So let us calculate this. This is 50 centimeter square. Area of triangle 3 is equal to half into 10. This is again 10 and 20. 10 into 20. So this is equal to 100 centimeter square. So a shaded region will be area of square, shaded region area of PQRS minus area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2 plus area of triangle 3. This is equal to 400 minus 100 plus 50 plus 100, which is equal to 150 centimeter square. So we get the answer as 150 centimeter square. That's all for today. Thank you, children.